Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the album and client gallery, open Pixieset, click New Gallery, and give it a clear title so you can find it later. Then upload your photos using drag and drop or the bulk uploader and verify JPEG/RAW acceptance and file sizes. Once done, create the client gallery from that album, enter the client email, set an access code if needed, and choose download and print permissions so the client gets the right experience and security. You now organize and customize the gallery so the client's experience is smooth and professional. First, sort and rate images, remove rejects, and confirm metadata and color profiles. This avoids surprises later. Next, customize the gallery design, add watermarks or adjust opacity, and set layout and thumbnails to match your brand. Finally, configure pricing, set download limits or expiry dates for sales, and choose shipping or print lab options so payments and file delivery happen without manual intervention. You're ready to send and confirm delivery. Use the email invite feature, craft a short message, preview it, and either schedule or send immediately. Include any access codes and download instructions. Once sent, check the delivery logs and test the gallery link yourself, making sure permissions and downloads work. If things go wrong, reset the access code, resend the invite, and tell the client to check spam. Also review storage limits and file types, because those are the most common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.